Hi everyone! So with this video, because I had an extra Fountain Pen Revolution Flex nib that I had purchased before I bought the pens themselves, it's the Flex one, it's not the Ultra Flex one. It's the same that I used in the JINHAO X450, but this time I'm using it in the JINHAO X750. I'm not showing you how to switch it. You've seen that in the previous videos. It's very easy. I used my rubber band again to remove the feed and the nib that came originally with the pen, and then I put the Fountain Pen Revolution Flex nib on the feed and put them both back in the pen. So for this one, I used the Sailor Blue Black ink, which is also a waterproof ink, and it works quite nicely. You know, it's pretty much the same experience I had with the JINHAO 450. The ink doesn't flow as well as with the ultra flexible nib, and I had to prime it a few times, either just tap the tip on a piece of paper or spin the piston, you know, to express more ink to make it flow into the feed. And then after I did that a few times, and it worked well. This Jacques Callot's study is called Dwarf with Wine Bottle and Glass. So this nib is not as flexible as the Ultra Flex, and you have to add a little bit more pressure. So to me, it was a little bit more awkward to use. Doesn't mean it's a bad nib, it works just fine. But it's not as enjoyable, in my opinion, with, you know, in my quest of finding the nib that I like. It's not my favorite. I like the ultra flexible one better. But it's really nice, and I think with this one, I would have to work slowly to focus a bit more and use a smoother paper so that the nib won't catch on the texture of the paper. Now for the ink, it shades really nicely as well. In the areas where there was more ink flowing, it's a nice and dark blue, and then where the line is thinner, the blue is lighter and a bit on the greener side. Alright, that's all I have to say for today. Thank you all for stopping by. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're feeling extra generous, you can always click on the thanks button right next to the share button. In the next video of the series, I'll be trying a new pen, so stay tuned. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye bye.